How do you test if a product is a winner? This is one of the most frequently asked questions that I get is, Josh, how do I validate that this is actually a winning product? I've done my product research, I've crossed my T's, I've dotted my I's, I've validated the product, but now how do I verify it and like how much should I order? This is a frequently asked question, and this is a two-step process. So when you're doing your product research, what you want to do is validate your product. There's specific things that we're looking for like competition, depth of market, saturation, seasonality, as well as intellectual property claims that we could possibly be infringing on, like patents, so on and so forth. After you do all that jazz, which you can do before actually investing in the product, now it's time to verify the product. So the second step of this process is called verification. And the way it works is I like to specifically do something I call the micro launch. And this is where we send about 50% of the anticipated monthly sales directly to Amazon so we can test this product and get direct consumer feedback. Now, once we get about 5 days of steady sales, then we're able to identify, okay, this product is verified, this product does have a track record, and this product's gonna maintain momentum. And this is after the reviews and after we get everything set up, right? We're looking for 5 days of solid sales. Now, the downside to this strategy is you may run out of inventory, or you may have to increase your price or airship your second batch so you don't run out. But the downside of going all in and finding out 2 to 3 months worth of projected inventory and ordering thousands of units is if that product does not sell the way you thought it would, then you're stuck. You have all of this revenue tied up in this product. You have all this product stranded in inventory. If it's not selling through, you're gonna have stranded inventory and extended inventory costs and so on and so forth. So there's pros and cons to both strategies, and with my experience and through trial and error, what's worked best for us is by being able to test these products as quickly as possible and to be able to limit the risk, right? Because so many people are like, Josh, what's a failing product, or what if the product fails? And you have to understand that some of the best in the industry understand that failure is a form of progression. So if you launch a product that is quote unquote a failure, you're not losing all your money if you do it properly, because remember, we're gonna make 30 to 50% profit margin on these products. The true failure is not starting or giving up. So why a lot of people fail and they don't have successful Amazon businesses is because they launch 3,000 units, they don't sell through the units, they ended up stuck with all this inventory and they have a bad taste in their mouth, and then they never go back to the drawing field. So what we want to do is we want to test these products, introduce them to the marketplace as fast as humanly possible, and get real data from real consumers. And from there, we can identify, do we want to reorder and double down, or do we want to liquidate and cut our loss at break even or small profit? Check out more videos on my YouTube channel at Joshua Crisp on YouTube. There's over 100+ videos similar to this in all around entrepreneurship. And for 50% off all services as well as softwares that AMZ Hunter offers, make sure you check out www.amzhunter.com and use promo code HUNTER50.